Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting into the ZTE router's admin interface so you can see connected devices. Connect a device to the same network, open a browser, and navigate to 192, 168, 1, 1 or 192, 168, 0, 1. Enter the admin username and password. If you can't log in, perform a hardware reset by holding the reset button about 10 seconds, then log in with default credentials. Once you're inside, go to the network or wireless status page to view the list of current clients. This is where removal begins. Once you're viewing the connected clients, identify devices by name, IP, and MAC address so you target the right one. Make note of any suspicious entries and compare to known household devices. This prevents accidental removal. Then select the device and use the router's block, deny, or MAC filter option to remove it immediately. When blocking, enable persistent deny or add the MAC to the blacklist so the device can't rejoin without your approval. This step enforces the removal at the router level. After removing devices, secure the network so the issue doesn't repeat. Change the Wi-Fi SSID and set a new strong WPA2 or WPA3 password, then reboot the router and reconnect only trusted devices. Monitor the connected list for any reappearing entries. If a blocked device returns, check MAC filtering rules for errors, update router firmware, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset and reconfigure security. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, temporarily isolate the device and test another router or contact ISP support for persistent intrusions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.